Yeah, this is Durban Network. Ku-Durban July la sikhona eThekwini. Nilana igambani.
Igama Ayanda Mthembu.
Yes, Ayanda Mthembu.
Mina ngulwazi Mthembu.
Ulwazi Mthembu. Oh, ama-couple.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's my couple.
Okay, sitsheleni nge-outfit yenu yazi.
So outfit yethu, I'm hosted by Savannah. Savannah and designer yami Neo Serati.
Yeah, Neo Serati.
Represent ama Marvels asemzansi. So that's igolide.
Wow.
Yazi.
Puti.
No, same. Phela uyazi ukuthi I had to compliment her, you understand?
Yes.
So yeah, but yeah, she's looking incredibly beautiful today.
Wow.
I mean, yeah, I'm also looking a bit hot. You know
Wow,
what I
I
mean?
know.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel good.
Iphathi mfowethu.
Yeah, you understand?
Buka lo line. Wow. Mfowethu sitsheleni ngokuthi nibe ingxenye yeDurban July. Siyazi ukuthi event yaminyaka yonke. Kusho ukuthini uba ingxenye yayo?
For me, ngithanda kabi fashion ne.
Yeah.
So nje kumnandi ukuthi ngibe la, and especially kuyinyaka we i-theme it speaks to South Africa, right? Umzansi. So nje amazing. Kumnandi ukubona abantu begqokile the different concepts. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the day.
Abantu baphumile ngobuningi babo bhuti sengiletha kuwena baphumile ngobuningi babo bazosupporta iDurban July. Kusho ukuthini ukuhlanganyela nabantu abaningi kangaka?
Oh no, but so I think it's wonderful. The atmosphere is amazing.
Yes.
I mean, seeing people, you know, bephumile ngobuningi babo, and most of them they made sure ukuthi bagqoke kahle. So yeah, it feels good being here. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sharp, siyabonga mfethu.
Also, you guys can catch us on the reunion part 2 in the Real Housewives of Durban.